What is up, y'all, and welcome to The Real Ray with me, Ray. And if you're noticing I have no eyebrows, you are correct, because today I'm going to show you how I do my eyebrows. If you're new here, I am Ray. I am a professional hairstylist, cosmetologist, beautician, whatever you want to call me, that's me, but only nice things. So I thought since the past two videos we talked about making your eyes brighter and mascara, that the natural progression would be to talk about eyebrows. So what I like to use, which I've used a ton of different things, and my favorites end up being the Benefit brand of eye stiff. This one is a pencil. I think it's Precisely My Brow, and what I like about this is it's got like a teeny tiny pencil, but I'm actually have not even been using this one, and I only use it for the brow comb part. And I like to use the Ka-Brow, and this is like a pomade that's tinted that you can kind of wisp your eyebrows on with. So I like to do this instead of the pencil. I feel like it gives it a more natural look, and I have a little bit more control over it. And then I have this like tinted brow, I think it's gel, I can't remember what this stuff is called, and clearly I've somehow worn the label off of this. This one comes in a couple of different kits, so if you wanted to try it with like a brow pencil, it's normally available in some sort of set. Before you get started, kind of like look at your eyebrows, go ahead and get your brow comb out, kind of like comb it up and comb it over, and think about the shape that you want to have. Like, do you want to have a curvy shape, or do you want it to be like more flat? And then look at your eyebrows to see like how they're naturally behaving and how they're different from one another, and what you'll need to do to make them look more even. And if you're a long time watcher, you know that my eyebrows don't always look like identical twins, and sometimes that is life, and it is okay, because they are not identical twins, they are eyebrows. Another tip is when you are applying your brow stuff, make sure and try to like relax your face, because I've definitely caught myself like, you know, moving in like weird ways, and then you get done and you're like, oh, well, I guess I'm gonna be surprised all day now. So try to relax your face, and then just kind of like comb them and see what they're actually doing. So this guy, number one, needs to be waxed. You can see it's naturally like a little flatter, and this one wants to go like up and over. So what I do is and this one, like the peak is kind of like over here, right? And I want it to be over here. So I kind of like make sure when I'm drawing them on that I make my stopping point up here and then angle it down. And then this one, I'll have to like make it go up a little bit more to give it a little more arch. For the purpose of saving time, I am only gonna do one eyebrow for y'all, so you don't have to watch a super long video. If you feel like you want a double brow video, just leave me some comments and we will handle that. You've combed your eyebrow, you've taken in what's going on, and then you are going to comb them up, see what they're doing, and get your Ka-Brow and get started. So what you do with this is you're gonna kind of like gently wisp up, right? Like just like super light sweeping motions, and that's gonna help to keep a nice natural look. And I like to start on the inside. Hopefully this turns out okay. No, I'm doing my eyebrows in a viewfinder. Dangerous. So I start in the inside portion and wisp up as a starting place. And then I kind of want my peak to be here, so I'm going to draw a little line from our starting place on up. And again, just like gentle little lines. And then I'm going to take this little peak and bring it out to the end where I want it to start again. Getting the high point, bringing it on down. So we've got the bottom outlined, and then we're gonna do the same thing with the top. And remember, this one gets like a little high, so I don't wanna go too far above it. I almost like go like right below the natural brow line. And then angle down. And so you see that's like a good outline, and then I just get a little bit more stiff on the brush and just kind of fill it in. I go up and over and just kind of whatever needs to happen to create the illusion. But there's more hair here. Yeah, that's much better. I mean, is she a little skinnier than normal because I can't see that well in the viewfinder? But I think it turned out much better than like not having an eyebrow, right? Additional suggestions, use a mirror and not a camera viewfinder. So after that, it's super simple. Get your little, I'm gonna look up the actual name of this, but it has like little fibers on it and it's a little brush and kind of makes them stay. And so this makes your eyebrows like longer. It's kind of like mascara for your eyebrows essentially. And so I like to brush these little corner ones up and make them kind of crazy looking. And then the rest I just kind of like gently whisk over. And if I have any spots where like in this little corner right here that are like, you know, there's no hairs there, I'll kind of get the end of this and add some more pigmented little hairs. And that is how the real Ray grew her eyebrows out. All right, y'all, let me know how you enjoyed this video in the comments below and what sort of things you would like to see next. I think what I'll probably do next week is do a second round of eyebrows and talk about just a couple things that you can do to really up your eyebrow game. All right, y'all, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button for me. And if you haven't already subscribed, please help me out by doing that. It helps me to grow my YouTube channel. And I will see your beautiful faces so soon. It's the real Ray. Bye.